Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Listen, just a quick video, quick update. I'd hoped to start some orders for carving and have a video for you this week. It looks like that's going to start next week. We're going to be carving a contractor bear with a last name and a stump and all this kind of stuff. Hoping to get into that next week for a customer. But on my new channel, Chainsaw Rescue, the goal is to have a video getting one of these saws going, hopefully for Saturday. I'm gonna see, it's been a crazy week though. That new channel is basically going to be about, restoring, fixing, working on chainsaws, maybe some other small engines in the future, but right now mostly chainsaws. These saws I got a great deal on, and so what I'm hoping to do is flip them, make my money back and a little bit more, and purchase something else so we can kind of get that channel rolling. So if you guys follow me a lot, you're subscribed to this channel, be sure to jump over and hit subscribe on Chainsaw Rescue. I got to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours on that channel to start getting commercials, and could use your help. So hope you guys have an awesome rest of your week though. Keep an eye out for those videos, and I'll see you later.